So, the difference between global and local teacher is, ang global is kanang muna siya kanang seeing about the kanang whole world or kanang big picture, like understanding about sa kanang mga international issues, kanang mga different cultures, o kanang itong connecting people around the world. When ang kanang global is kanang using those global understanding in a way na relevant of ma-apply sa mga student in their community. Like, for example, kanang sa global, kanang about sa climate change. So, ikaw nila kanang i-teach sa teacher ang impact sa climate change globally. Well, kung sa global siya, ay local siya, kanang muna siya, ikaw niya ang connection sa climate change o makatag siya example na sa Madrid at sa kanang local area kay kanang sa climate change na kanang mga rising sea level.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Bardo. Nasabtan ninyo ang gingon ni Ms. Bardo?
Yes.
So the differences between global and local teacher from the word global as a whole, diba? As a whole or a broad concept of knowledge that kanang not just in one place or as a whole, abroad, while ang local, the word local, parang combination siya sa both global and local. Mana siyang local. Yeah. Kasi siya, mana siya kanang ang global focuses only on kanang teaching kanang focus on teaching students to become a global citizens. While local teachers, they prepare students to learn not just globally or global citizens, but also to learn their local cultures. Diba? Kung ingon ay, like Mr. Bardi said, international issues like climate change, yes, another. Poverty. Yes, poverty, yes, another. What? Learn please. International issues, mayroon na. So, nasabtan na ang global teacher, may differences between global teacher and ang local teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Hi.
Hello.
What dream is like that world? Or what planet is naka-encounter ba yan?
Wala mga
Flat world. The word what?
What world?
Wait up. Flat world means flat world means one of these two terms refers to kanang shrinking world bitaw kanang sa pagkakaroon kanang we are easy to get access sa internet, dahil technology, yan na. Sa flat world, kanang itong mas easy na nato karon ba nga kuan nga maka-learn o maka-share ng knowledge within kanang as a whole global ba kanang sa mga geographical mga barriers, no limit na siya, wala na limit kay through internet maka-easy na ta easy access or control na ta sa mga technology na sa dara. Or one planet schoolhouse. One planet schoolhouse. Kaya bitaw, ba? Kani po siya, mo pala siya, global ba? Kanang tibukan, we share the same knowledge, learnings, nga na mara good sa kanang global na po ba? Global and local teacher education. So let's consider global and teacher education. Kung sa global teacher, mga sila ang mag-teach sa mag-prepare sa students to become global citizens. So education, sa global teacher education, muna sila ang prepare sa students to further para sa ilahang mga global teacher education and local teacher education, pareha na siya sa global teacher and local teacher. Pero nag-involve siya how they educate the students how they educate students to become a global citizens and para sa maka-learn sila through their local cultures in their community. UNESCO defines global education as a goal to develop countries worldwide.
UNESCO defines global education as a goal to develop countries worldwide and is aimed at educating all people in accordance with world standards.
Yes. UNESCO defines global education as a goal to develop countries worldwide. Kanang sila bitay mag-teach sa katong mga Pilipino, mga students, teach students First definition, which can define global education as a goal to develop countries worldwide, and also which is aimed to educating all people in accordance with world standards. Next definition is global education is a curriculum that is international in scope and focuses on helping learners become intellectually, professionally, and humanistically prepared. Next is the UNESCO education. Saan na ito yun?
United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization.
Sa UNESCO education, 2013 Indian Declaration, na siya'y vision.
Toward inclusive and equitable quality education and learning for all.
Towards inclusive. Not just for one person, but tanan. Mabilang kahit kanang include tanan, wala yung habilin. Equitable. Free. No. Equitable. Equitable sa hay kanang preschool pa kanang sila tutuan kundi antod nga like ang mga antod magkatuwa. Next is the 7 outcomes targets of sustainable development goals. First is universal primary and secondary education.
Ensure all girls and boys complete, free, equitable, and quality primary and secondary education, leading to relevant and effective learning outcomes.
So there the universal primary and secondary education, they make sure that not just they make sure that all students, boys and girls, they ensure that i-ensure nila kanang free, equitable, and quality sa primary and secondary levels. Next is early childhood development and universal primary education.
Ensure that all boys and girls have access to quality early childhood development care and pre-primary education to develop their ability for primary education.
Yes, they ensure that all boys and girls have access to quality early child development care. For example, a 4 years old, ito siya sa santang bata ko siya ito siya care, para care, respect, o isa po kaya mga alphabet, numbers, para ma-ready siya, usa siya magulong sa primary school. Ay, ma! Kaya ba? Yes, ka? Next is equal access to technical, vocational, and higher education.
For all women and men to affordable and quality technical, vocational, and tertiary education, including university.
Ensure equal access for all women and women. Mali siya, napitaw uban na mga estudyante, mga estudyante dili ka access sa college, mga universities. Ay, isa mo lang niniya kalang naay. For example, si Juban kay poor. Si Juban is poor, so that she can enroll in college. So he can enroll in college. Siya scholarship. Ano ba? Scholarship. Or vocational and higher education, or kurso karon nga, like welding. Ito siya kay mga after nung hindi ka nag-school kay wala ka sa job. Manay lang i-ensure na mga estudyante nga kaning nila kailangan equal access. So, na sila i-ensure na sila lahat ng free governance sa mga estudyante, scholarship. Mana siya. Next is relevant skills for the assessor.
Substantially increase the number of youth and adults who have relevant skills, including technical and vocational skills, for employment, business, jobs, and entrepreneurs.
Yun na kita, relevant skills. Lahat. For example, relevant skills for the assessor. A student learning dahil kaya siya ng business. Tapos nag-learn siya how to run a business. Para for the future, makakuha na siya makaroon na siya business in her own bitaw. Nga ba? Ilahang na sila i-kuha access na ng mga skills nila. Or, dahil sa mga IT. Nga na, sa mga IT, computer. Mga IT ka, kaya mga ilahang priority kay panang beta room. Moral technology.
indigenous peoples and children in vulnerable situations.
So next kanang targets niya is gender equality. Dili lang kay tiguang, dili lang kay kanang tiguang nga babae or lalaki. Kaya na kanang nay equal ba dili gilahi-lahi na niya. Sabi mo sa inclusion, kung nabitaw bisan na disability ang isa ka bata, dili mo ilahi which is mo siya i-appeal mo sa imong kanang bag. Prepare sa mga students, mga pag-tulis mga students. Next is universal youth literacy.
Both men and women achieve literacy and numeracy.
So dali nga universal, they make sure that di ba na-equal nila nga na yung literacy. Sa ngayon biniya na literacy? Ability to read and write. Very good, diba? The ability to read and write. Diba naman sa meaning niya nga literacy and numeracy? Not just kanang ang mga sentiment dito doon mo to, which is kanang matigungan ng mga bata, tuganin mo siya mabasa, magsuwat, o mag-basic math code para bitaman ng kuwan ka kanang para sa kanang para tugluan sila o kanang magsuwat, pagbasa, or kanang mga sa class minus lang doon, na sa tanan ba? Next is education for sustainable development and global citizenship.
Skills needed to promote sustainable development, including water, through education for sustainable development and sustainable lifestyles, human rights, gender equality, promote cultural peace and non-violence, global citizenship and appreciation of cultural diversity and cultural contribution to sustainable development.
So, education for sustainable development and global citizenship ensures that they teach students about how to take care of our planet, how to mga human rights daw, mga human rights, peace, respecting, o kanang culture, food, kanang sa para bitaw sa kanang global citizenship bitaw sa kanang katibukan ba, ilang i-educate ang mga kuwan kung saan pag-alaga sa ito, how to respect others, respect, kanang what food, kanang peace, kung how to be a responsible global citizen.
Nasabtan na ba kung ministry ang report? So now, let's talk about James Baker. Who is James Baker? James Baker died as he is a British author. So, si James Baker kay define niya ang global education as a, please can you read? As an effort to help that global education is about helping students to see that that the world is one big system. So iyang kuan na we are all connected. So para ninyo sa giingon ni James Baker, unsa iyang goal? Unsa iyang goal ni James Baker? So, para ni James Baker man siya nga, we are all connected. So, ang goal ani is to help students nga that they are nga mag-understand sila nga they are part of the global system. Unsay goal ni James Baker man ning pansiya. Another, kita taglain. Number 3. So, what's it? Parang mo, unsay pasabot ni James Baker yang define ng global education sa inyong ibasa?
Ang tanang tao is kanang interconnected to each other, and na sila ay kanang to-participate sila in the global system.
Okay. So, kanang James Baker, nang ikuha na niya kay is to educate students to have a knowledge about culture. Knowledge. Ay, isubukan ko. Ang first knowledge. Next. Next, parang sa iyahang article, the goals of global education, he-emphasize, alam mo ba ka?
Of each student, knowledge and empathy for solution and the world.
So, he-emphasize that global education, he-emphasize nga kanang dili lang kanang sa tunasan is dapat kanang so James Baker said na we should include learning about culture. So ang mga bata dili lang sila magbasa sa book. Dapat na ang experience o feeling like empathy. Kaya aron mas masabtan nila ang lain-lain culture. Panangitan ana, kaya ano makaingon man ta we are all connected. Mary Ann.
Ano makainutan ka? We are interconnected. It's because we are living in one planet.
Okay. So, next is thus
Thus, to meet the various global challenges of the future, the 21st century,
The 21st century learning goals have been established
as basis of various curricula worldwide.
These learning goals include 21st century content, learning content emerging content areas such as global awareness, financial, economic, business, and entrepreneurial literacy, civic literacy, health and environmental awareness.
So, first is global awareness. Ano? Global awareness kay kanang dapat ang mga estudyante is kanibaw sila about sa mga sinangita mo sa kalibutan. Ikaduha sa global awareness is financial, economic, business, and entrepreneurship. So, dapat ang mga student is na sila learning about how to manage money. Di ba naman sa subject pag grade 12 o entrepreneur? Di ba dito doon lang ta how to manage money? Nagkuhan pa na nila sa lang sa Itali-tali pa na nita ato para maka natay learning about business. Next is civic literacy. Civic literacy is kanang responsible as a citizen. So, like, unsa man? Like, for example, isa pa. Ano nakain naman na responsible ta sa as a citizen? Isa man day kuan. Kailang pag-vote sa mga managan. Next is health and environment literacy. Sakto ba? Sakto siya. So, kanang hibaw sila na sila learning sa magsaon pag-ating sa pagalingon, sa atong palibot, sa usang paagi. Number 33. 33. Saan kung paagi? Ha? Atong paagi anong atong giyatimanan sa unsang paagi nga giyatimanan nato atong environment and kuan kanang health.
Kuan kanang pagkamimbi sa kuan environment, pagkamimbi sa mga basura at kanang dili magtutur og kahoy, dili magpatakain baboy sa basura sa mga dagat.
Okay, at sabi na tayo sa second thing. Ikaduha.
Learning and thinking skills, critical thinking and problem-solving skills, communication, creativity and innovation, collaboration, contextual learning, information and media literacy.
Learning and thinking skills is mas makatabang na gawin masulban na ito ang problema. Skills. Skills? First. First is critical thinking and problem solving. Dapat hunahon sa nato daan mo sa tamong solve o
Problema.
next is communication, creativity, and innovation. So, dapat magawa ka mo istorya, communicate mo kuan sa inyong ideas. Kaya na kay creativity. Kaya niligaman mo, kung na kay ideas, niligaman mo is indot siya ang resulta. Next is collaboration. Diba, share makana sa inyo, dapat ka mag-maintain work kay aron matarog mo ang mas nindot ang contextual learning. Sa mga contextual learning is imong ipabuhat sa mga students. Imong ipabuhat nila karon na itong pag-apply nila sa imuhang i-discuss. Kaya mas masakta nila o ayo. Then ayon naman sa kuhan, ICT literacy. So paggamit sa technology, ano ito media learning. Sa using technology in learning, in teaching. Like for example, nga paggamit sa technology, PowerPoint. PowerPoint presentation. Isa pa.
Using Google Classroom.
Isa pa. Na naman ang tali pagkuhan. First year is
Information literacy.
then life skills.
Leadership, ethics, accountability, personal responsibility, self-direction, and others.
Leadership. Ano kayo naman sa pagkuhan, sa pag leadership. Dapat ikaw ang mag-una o role model sa mga students. Nga na. Kaya aron, dito lain mo kami na ikaw maestra, ikaw na mag-una-una sa kapag dapat ikaw ang ilahang role model sa inyong mga students. Ethics. Dapat ma-apply ka sa moral values. Accountability. Naapay? Guardo.
Kung dahil ka lang ay kabilis na ako, dito kay ako dapat accountable ka, anak. Ako to mo kasi mo binukatan mo. O wala na lang. Yes.
Next is self-direction. Personal responsibility. Sa malinga ko sa okay. Ito sa 21st century assessment.
Authentic assessment that measure the areas of learning.
Dapat ay ang teacher is dapat na ipagsukod sa mga students sa ilang learning. Dapat na ay assessment. Para okay, next topic is wala na yung time teacher. Continue pa next meeting.
Thank you, Ma'am Ilogo.
So now, let's continue our topic, which is the continuation of Drea. So, my topic is all about global nature. What comes to your mind when you hear the local teacher? Yes, so local teacher is an educator who understands and embraces not only globally but also in a global perspective in their teaching. They're equipped to teach effectively in a diverse and interconnected world, blending local context with global knowledge and skills. Also, there are types of teacher who thinks not only locally but also globally, which is they teach in communities, localities, towns, and regions. Qualities that a global teacher has is understand how this world is interconnected. It is where we understand how our world is interconnected with each other, which can help us see a bigger picture and become responsible global citizens. It is also nga kanang in this part is kabaw ta nga bisan pag unsay natabo sa atong kalibutan is same ra gyapon, even though lahi taog lugar, lahi tag places, and lahi tag action. So number 2 is recognize that the world has rich variety ways of life. Of course, kita dyan mga tao is tayo lain-lain nga kinaiyaw unsa nato pag-survive sa atong kinabuhi. Which is dili ta makaingon nga mag-promote tag diversity. So kanaman tayo naglain-lain nga variety of ways of life, mo po ni siya o giunsa na to pag-emphasize sa ato ang mga backgrounds and beliefs sa ato ang kinabuhi, which is dapat siya dato siyang i-recognize og ayo. So number 3 is have a vision of the future and sees what the future will be for himself or herself and the students. This speaks that kanang in our world today, it is really important nga kabaw jud taw unsa atong ganahan in the future. And also, especially for us students, nga na jud tay clear sense of purpose and direction, which is kabaw ta unsa atong purpose ug asa ta paingon, which is a teacher nga na siya vision nga as a teacher, ang ato yung vision is maka-inspire ta sa mga students. Natay mahatag din nga goal and work nga makatabang nila sa ilang future and para sa ilang kagalingon. So, next is are creative and innovative, which is from the word creative, dapat kabaw ka. And innovative, which is nag-highlight siya sa important nga nadjug kay pamaagi unsaon nimo pag-engage in ways of teaching. Like, di ba sa mga maestra karon og bibo ka nga pagka maestra, ang imo pong mga estudyante bibo sa dimo. Pero og ikaw laay, then ma-expect na jud ka nga di jud ka ganahan ang mga student nimo sa the way ka mo teach. The next is understand, respect, and tolerant of the diversity of culture. This emphasize na create ta sa inclusive classroom, which is nag-promote po tag diversity dere nga nadjud tay naglain-lain kanaiya sa classroom nga even though natay lain nga background, natay lain nga mga behavior, dapat jud is i-value jud ato usag-usa and respect. Next is the believe and take action for educational that will sustain the future. Of course, in this part it is very important for us educators and for our education that we must provide a high quality education for our students. When it comes to high quality education, it is maghatag jud ka og learning nga dapat jud masabtan sa student nga ilang balik-balikon nga ilang nakatuhanan anang maestraha. Next is the facilitate digitally mediated learning. From the word digitally. So, naman ta karon sa 21st century, which is nagkaanam-anam og improve aga to ang century karon na magamit atag technology which is very effective na pud siya nato as a teacher and as a student nga mo ilang gamiton para ma-enhance ang atong teaching and ato ang learning, which is natay digital tools, which is mo siya cellphone, laptops, printer, and etc. nga ato magamit sa classroom. The next is the process good communication skills. Of course, dapat jud natay good communication skills sa usag-usa, especially og sa inyong classroom is nay different students, which is nay kabaw mo Tagalog, kabaw mo Bisaya, kabaw mo English. So ikaw as a Filipino teacher dapat multilingual ka, because multilingual has known as na siya different language nga iyang nahibawan, which is 2 or more. So dapat ikaw as a teacher is kabaw ka mo build a strong relationship whether sa student ba na or sa parents nga mag-convey kag information nga ilang masabtan through having a good communication skills. Next is the aware of international teacher standard and framework nga nag-show siya commitment sa atong professional development nga magstay ta in best practice sa education, which is dapat jud nga as a future educator or as a student na jud kay commitment nga imong tapuson imuhang gikuhang kurso. So na naman ka dira, so imo na jud ang need nimong tapuson. So na naman ta diri as a future educator, so dapat natay commitment nga ato jud mahuman ang atong professional as a teacher. Last but not the least, master the competence of beginning teacher in the Philippines professional standards for teacher. So, in PPST, or Philippine Professional Standard for Teachers, is dadirig mga standards sa mga teachers sa atuang lugar, which is sa Philippines. Dadiri ang naka-work matag bilingual settings sa Philippines, nga nag-involve diri ang natay fluency when it comes to Filipino and English, which is tuod po anis maka-adapta sa teaching method or either switch batag language sa kanang duha ka language.
So now we'll continue our lesson. So before we start our lesson, I have first one question to all of you. So what is the role of a teacher? So teachers teach students lessons in a box, but teachers not only teach lessons in a box, but also teaching students how to be a good person or how to be a good student in their community. And also teachers teach students how to respect each other. So now we will proceed to our topic about the characteristic and core values of Filipino teachers. So according to Master Plan Teachers Education, there are 8 characteristic and core values of Filipino teachers. So first one is the cultural and historical rootedness. So what does it mean? So cultural and historical rootedness are deeply connected to Philippines' history, cultures, and traditions. So teachers teach students with respect to Filipino identity and heritage. So it helps students to understand about the Filipino values, heroes, language, and local practices. So for example, Teacher Santos, in celebrating Abuan ng Wika, then by encouraging her students, is nagpasuwat siya og poem about Abuan ng Wika, using the regional dialect. So tungod ani is mas daghan pag makatunan or daghan pag makuha ang mga lessons or knowledge ay ihang students sa kung usa ka importante ang atoang history and cultures in our community. So mo na siya ang cultural and historical rootedness. So second one is the ability to contextualize teaching learning. So again, what does it mean? So to contextualize, to adapt, or to relate in a real life experiences. So for example, Teacher Santos is nag-discuss siya about sa mga animals, or ilahang topic is all about the animals. So sa pag-discuss niya is pwede niya i-relate in a real life experiences and have students like iyahang i-relate or iyahang example ang animals sa kung unsay man sa ilahang community. So tungod po na is mas dali ra masabtan or dali ra makasabot ang ihang students about sa ilahang lesson nga gi-discuss. So mao na siya ang ability to contextualize teaching learning or to relate in our real life experiences. So the third one is the excellence. So what does it mean? So as a teacher is dapat nga flexible ka, dapat kibalo ka sa imong responsibilidad as a teacher. So dapat as a teacher po is high level competence ka in teaching. And also dapat ang teacher is more knowledgeable kaysa sa ilahang students. Kay as a teacher is mao man mo tudlo or mo-teach sa students para daghan sila makatunan. So dapat nga mas knowledgeable ka kaysa sa imong students. And also teachers dapat nga hibalo po siya how to use a technology. So nowadays is nabilong naman siya sa 21st century, di ba? So dapat nga as a teacher is hibalo po ka kung saan siya paggamit ang technology, kaya ikaw matulungan mo ang motudlo or mo-teach sa imong students kung saan ko na siya paggamit sa technology. E mo siya ang excellent. Dapat may mas high level or mas knowledgeable ka kaysa imong students. Dapat active ka always. And next one is the responsiveness. So also what does it mean? So responsiveness or responsible as a teacher. So dapat responsible ka nga mubuhat as a teacher. Dapat na akay barugan, na akay and as a teacher is na ako kay willingness to help sa imong estudyante, not even sa imong students but also to all people nga imong ma-encounter or nag-need sa imong help. So dapat nga naa kay willingness to help. And also as a teacher is na ako kay dapat na ako kay respect sa imong kaugalingon, but not also sa imong kaugalingon dapat maghatag ka respect sa other people nga imong ma-encounter. So next one is the accountability and integrity or makatao. So as a teacher is dapat na adyo kang responsibilidad sa tanan ng buhaton dili sunod sa eskwelahan or even gawas sa eskwelahan. So di ba as a teacher is mo siya yung role model nga mo isundungon sa students. So dapat nga nadyo kang responsibilidad sa tanan ng buhaton, dapat akay dignity as a teacher. And also as a teacher is dapat always ka responsible and dapat honest and akay loyalty. So mo siya ang accountability and integrity. So next is ang ecological and sensitivity or makakalikasan. So as a teacher is nadyo kay love and care sa environment. Dili lang so dapat as a teacher is dapat dili ikaw mismo ang mutudlo nga. Dapat imo ipakita nga wala kay love and care sa environment. Dapat imo ipakita nga na kay pag-care sa environment. Ikaw mismo mutudlo sa imong students nga mobuhat og sakto. So dapat as a teacher is naa kay love and care sa imong sa environment. So mao na siya ang ecological and sensitivity or makakalikasan. So next one is a nationalism or Philippinism. So what does it mean? So nationalism or Philippinism or makabansa. So as a teacher is makabansa, dapat as a teacher is responsible citizens ka. So dapat nga imo hadyong i-respect ang imong kaugalingong country. And always nga dapat always proud ka sa imong country. As a Filipino, so dapat nga imo jud ipagmalaki ang ulis akan naggikan. So dapat nga napag kay respect sa imong bansa. So mo na siya ang nationalism or Philippinism. So the last one is the faith in the divine providence. So or maka-Diyos. So as a teacher is dapat jud always nga i-center nimo ang God. Dapat maka-Diyos ka, dapat always ka nga mosimba or dapat na kay salig sa Ginoo. And dapat po nga as a teacher is dapat imo hapong i-respect kung imo pong i-respect ang imong co-teachers or imong students kung usa ilahang relihiyon. So dapat always ra jud nga dapat as a teacher is naadjud kay or imong ipakita nga as a teacher is dapat na kay dignity o na kay sakto nga buhaton as a teacher. Kay kung naa kay right nga gibuhat, o na siya masundog kay masundog sa imong students nga dapat nga mubuhat jud sa sakto nga buhaton. So, muna siya the 8 characteristics and core values of Filipino teachers. That's all.
So, did you understand the topic of Miss Market? So, this group activity is connected to the report of Miss Market, which is first, I will group you into 3 groups, and each group will create a short scenario based from your given topics, which is group 1 is cultural and historical rootedness. Group 2 is accountability and integrity. Group 3 is faith and the divine providence. Before that, I have here a criteria to read. So, here's the criteria. Content and accuracy, 30%. Creativity, 20%. Teamwork, 30%. Voice and clarity, 20%. A total of 100%. Well done. So you done your performance or role play very great. So now let's proceed to your assessment. But before that, kindly prepare 1/4 sheet of paper so that you can answer our topic. And for the instruction, I will read the question twice, and all it is write only the letter. Are you ready? So 1, what does it mean to be a global teacher? What does it mean to be a global teacher? A teacher who teaches only in their local area. B, a teacher who works in private schools. C, a teacher who is aware of international issues and integrates them into their teaching. D, a teacher who focuses only in national curriculum. So 2, a global teacher is someone who. A global teacher who is someone who A, teaches only in foreign countries. B, combine global perspective with local relevance in teaching. C, ignores local tradition in favor of foreign ideas. D, focus only on standardized testing. 3. What is the goal of a local teacher? What is the main goal of a local teacher? A, to replace local culture and global views. B, to leave their country and teach abroad. C, to apply global perspective while respecting and enhancing local identity. D, to avoid using global concepts in the classroom. So next, 4. Which of the following is characteristics of a globally competent teacher? Which of the following is a characteristic of a global competent teacher? A, resistance to change. B, narrow subject knowledge. C, cultural awareness and adaptability. D, prefers teaching in one language only. Last but not the least, which of the following best describes a teacher who is both global and local? Which of the following best describes a teacher who is both global and local? A, who ignores local needs to follow global trends. B, one who only teaches about international topics. C, one who brings global ideas into the classroom while respecting local culture. D, one who focuses only on community issues. Please pass your paper here in front and exchange your paper by row or column. Then we'll check that. Thank you.
So okay class, now is I will give you an assignment. So your assignment is all you have to study lesson 1 page 98 to 104 for the summative test on the next day. Okay class? So and today is I will give you another activity, or I have here concluding activities, and all you have to do is to answer this. So I have here one question, and my question is, as a future educator, how will you balance your Filipino identity with the expectation of being globally competent learner? So Okay, you may now start your answering. Okay. Okay, class. So pass your papers and see you on Tuesday. Goodbye, class.